Guys. Ooh. Yeah, alright. It's gonna storm soon. And I just finished tearing apart the mini bike. I'm gonna do a rebuild. Did most of the disassembly today. And I'm getting some parts. My friend's getting me some parts later today. Because I have work today. Because he's building one, which made me want to do the rebuild, basically. So I'm going to finish it tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday. Should be done by then. It all depends if I have the right stuff on hand. But I'm going to do it. I'm basically upgrading. I'm getting a thicker rod here, because this one, let's see if I can show you. Right there shows it's not focusing. Oh well. But it's definitely worn through right there. And I'm gonna upgrade this rod bigger. This is a 3/8, so I'm gonna go to a 5/8. And I took the gas tank off because instead of the screws that go onto here, I'm going to use bolts. Here's the gas tank. And I'm going to clean everything and repaint everything. U-bolts are still good. But I'm going to no longer use these. I'm going to be using bolts to go in there. And what else? Yeah, I'm just gonna do a rebuild. You know, everything's dirty. Like all the stuff in the tire is all caked on onto here. See all that? So I'm gonna clean everything and repaint it, and just upgrade the stuff that's failing, and should be going good. Get some new tires for the bike. Bike's going good. I guess a rebuild after 620 miles isn't half bad. That was an ATV. Alright, so I just disassembled everything. About to go clean up and go to work. Yeah. I'll make some videos on the rebuild. Oh, wait for the thunder. Just saw a big old bolt of lightning. Oh. Alright. So hopefully some rebuild videos going soon. Used WD-40. That helped a lot. You can also see it was wearing down right here too. There we go, it's in focus now. You can just see the wear it puts on this bike. It wore the paint down to the original pink. This bike was like a pink Barbie bike before this. But even wore it down to the metal a little bit. And it wore down that pretty good. Yeah, I'll clean it up, do a repaint job and everything. Alright, yeah. So, mini bike rebuild coming soon. Thanks for watching.